Okay, so what I have here on the board for y'all today is just two standard formats, probably the two most common formats that you're going to see when you're looking at different periodic tables in textbooks and on the internet, various graphs, that type of thing. So this first format, this is pretty typical of what's in your textbook. First of all, X represents any chemical symbol, while Z at the top represents the atomic number, and A represents the atomic mass. Over here in this format, this is also a very common one. X obviously is the chemical symbol, and then A is the atomic mass. This variable Z would represent the atomic number. Now C, on the other hand, I've included oxidation number. C is the variable that represents the oxidation number, which, if you'll remember, is the number of protons minus electrons, right? And it could be a positive or a negative.